How to join your Discord server. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to join your Discord server. So in order to join the Discord server, you need to go ahead and follow the steps. So since I'm using a web version, so you could use an application as well. Either way, the procedure is gonna remain the same. So while you are on the home page or that you're logged in, then click the tab bar icon, and here you could find out the plus or the servers. So click the plus button. As soon as you do that, you could see this option as create my own, or you could also have this option as have an invite link already, or underneath go ahead and click on join a server. Once you actually go ahead and type in that, there's this thing as you could https is to slash discord gg. Now you need to type this manually. Now what next you want to do is you want to go ahead and give a slash, and as you give a slash here, you need to go ahead and type in the server that you wish to go ahead and join. So I'm gonna go with a chocolate, let's see, or choice. And if I want to go ahead and click the join server button, you could find out the server that's familiar with this term. So this is how you could go ahead and join your server. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next